everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we're going to celebrate back to school. And here is our treasure chest. Let's complete the drawing to see what's inside. Let's start with the front of our book bag. So you're going to want to start in the middle of the page, and we're going to draw a line across and curve it down just like that. Okay, and now we're going to make the flap of the front of our book bag. So start here, curve out, and you want that U shape to line up with the bottom of this line because we are going to connect them. And that's the bottom of our book bag. All right. Now let's draw the top of our book bag. So we're going to start over here and draw a big arch and come down and close it. And to add a little extra detail, I'm going to draw one more line on the inside just like that. Okay, now let's draw the sides. So start down here at the bottom and draw a little line up. Now go to the top and you're going to draw a little line and it's going to slant down just a little bit. Perfect. Now we're going to connect these two. And this will be the side of our book bag. Okay. All right. Next, let's do the straps. So there's a strap up top, and it's almost like a little rainbow shape. And you see how I came past this line right here? So we want to start here, draw our little rainbow shape, and come past that line. And if you have an eraser, you can erase this little part right here, and if you don't, it's okay because it will be part of our detail in the book bag. All right, now let's do the straps on the back. Now this part will be like where you would put over your shoulder. So start at the top. And come all the way almost to the bottom and curve back in. Now we're going to come on the inside and do a line just like that, but on the inside. This will be the strap of our book bag. Awesome. Okay, now let's give our book bag a little bit of details. I'm going to come back here on the front of the flap and draw little lines like this. And it almost looks like the stitching or the thread of the book bag. Okay, and let's do the same thing on the top strap. And the same on the shoulder strap. All right, so there's our book bag. Now let's fill it with stuff. So the first thing I'm going to draw is an apple. And an apple almost looks like a heart. So I'm going to draw a little heart shape. And don't close it, it just kind of ends right there where the book bag is. And then it needs a little stem, and I'm going to draw a leaf. I'm going to give my apple eyes. because he's excited about school. And a little smile. Okay. Next, let's draw the pencils. So let's go over to the left side of the book bag. And you're going to draw 2 lines straight down. It almost makes a rectangle figure. And now at the top, you're going to draw a little triangle, and that's the tip of your pencil. And I'm going to add some more lines coming down to give like the ridges of the pencil. And I'm going to draw one more pencil just like that. So 2 lines down, triangle on the top, close it off, and there we go. Okay, our last step is the notebook. So I'm going to start my notebook right about here and draw a line that goes right to the front of that flap. And a line that goes over and down. And it's going to be behind our apple, so make sure you stop your line right about where the leaf is. And then go to the top, draw a little diagonal line out, and little zigzags. That will be the pages of our notebook. And then inside, I'm going to draw a rectangle. And I'm going to give my notebook some eyes. And a smiley face. Okay. And then if you want to make it a spiral notebook, you can leave it like this. But if you want to do a spiral, you're going to make little C's going all the way down the page. And there we go. There's our book bag. Now let's color it. Our book bag looks great. Now it's time to open our treasure chest. It's Blue from Jurassic World. Join me next time and we'll draw him too. Have a great day.